With the new technology KNX IOT, what we expand the possibilities for communication, for connecting with new applications. So it simplifies the way, it's secure, and it's more connected. When we look at from the smart home and building industry, when we look at the IoT industry, we've seen some positive and some negative trends. So the positive aspects are that it is more dynamic, it's really fresh, innovative, and that's very good. So it's pushing our traditional smart home, smart building industry to be also to adapt to these new needs. But also we bring positive things to an industry that is not that stable, that is very fragmented, and with the KNX IOT we can bring a good common ground for smart building, smart homes and IoT. It is important to participate at the IoT Solutions World Congress for us because it's a very good platform to get to know startup companies. In actual fact, what we have behind at our booth is the KNX Association working together with 5 KNX startups that they are presenting their products and their solutions to the audience here. Companies can start with our IoT technology basically by using the open source stack that we offer free of charge. So that you will find it at knx.org. And additionally, if you want to contact us, we will also guide you and give you support with the first steps, how to start.